I hate you, you will never get me.
I love you, but you hate me. What should I do to make you love me? I'll do anything for you. Can't you just love me?
You do not have to do anything because I will hate you anyway. Oh no, I said wrong. It's your twin I hate, I love you.
Have I gone through all this and now I hate you.
Do you hate me? I love you. Why do you hate me? I love you so. You are so similar. I'm sorry, it was not the sense to hate me not.
Now I hate you and you love me. Now you know how it is sensitive. But it's hard to hate you. So I must love you.
Have I gone through all this? First I hated you and then I loved you and now I hate you and you love me.
Cannot we just love each other? For my sake.
For your sake? Okay then. Let's love each other then.
But do you have any siblings?
Yes.
A twin.
Yes, a twin.
Named
Moa.
Moa is your twin. Well, she is the one I love.
Don't you love me?
No, I love your twin. I didn't think that she is called Moa.
I hate you.
Good, then we hate each other.
I do not hate you. I was ironic. I love you.
But I love Moa.
But I love you.
Moa, it was her. I hated and I loved her twin. So I love you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.